Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing a quit date within 1 week and declaring it to 1 or 2 supporters so you're accountable. Once done, list your top 3 triggers: morning coffee, breaks, stress, because knowing why you vape guides what to avoid. Make sure to get immediate tools: nicotine gum or patches if needed, a fidget or sugar-free gum, and a water bottle to hydrate. These steps set momentum and reduce the chance of an impulsive relapse right at the start. Now you replace habit loops with concrete actions. Apply a daily nicotine patch and use 2 mg or 4 mg gum for intense urges, because steady nicotine reduces withdrawal while gum handles rituals. Once a trigger appears, delay for 10 to 15 minutes and use paced breathing or a 5-minute distraction instead, which weakens cravings over time. Make routine changes. Take different routes. Alter break times. To finish strong, you plan maintenance and know how to respond if you slip. Within 48 hours, review what triggered you, adjust strategies, and reapply supports rather than giving up. If cravings persist, consult a counselor or quitline. Professional coaching raises success odds. Make sure to taper nicotine replacement over 8 to 12 weeks to avoid restarting dependency. Finally, watch mood and sleep. If problems arise, reach out for medical advice early so small issues don't derail long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.